Ki officer nak Shillong Municipal Board ringkat bat ki board pulit hne ka sini kong. Lelej ban Pynkynriah yakin nongdie madan syaki jaka ke balabu kyrpang hamadan ni lekai Bright Starwell habarik bat ka SMB parking lot hadhan giti. Ya kate gajing Pynkynriah jaka la penlong klem gajing persya na ki nongdie madan. Bat omshum layu iru bagi nongdie madan ki babu stall hasilinter ka than ba Laitumkhrah hakaporo penlong ya gajing Pynkynriah. U CEO ka SMB u KC Boro ulong babaro ki nongdie madan ki badijing di Laitumkhrah kila menjur ban Pynkynriah syaki jaka dijing di ki balabu kyrpang. Hagani kesengi ke MLA ke Shillong East ke kong Amprin Lingdo kalawan banyadan lang ban pej ke jinglong jingman baro pada dan lang ru ki khot ke dor barsnong Laitumkhrah ringkat ki nong mikmat jong ki seng long kmi bat ki seng samla ban yarap ban pinne ya ke syongsuk syongsan. Hagani kesengi la sakhi bakalik kawan jong ki brio bat ki kali Laitumkhrah kala khamsuk hadim la Pynkynriah no ya ki nong di jing di harut surok syaki jaka di jing di ke balabu kyrpang da ke sorkar. Hagini kesengi ki bala dep kala don kajing persya ki katu kat ni ki nong di jing di ban persya ai kajing Pynkynriah. Ndai la khmi linti pada kani kajing Pynkynriah ai ki nong di syakawi pat ka jaka kan yarap ban pinduna ya kajing khapnya na ka than Laitumkhrah.
Today we have done this relocation of Laitumkhrah area and Laban. They will be located in Dhan Keti and Bridal Bungalow. Everything is done, everything has been arranged. It is very successful today.
But we see lots of Darbar Shillong people are also here.
No, they are witnessing. They are witnessing. They are witnessing the process. That's all. So here too, we have got 86 houses. All will be located in Dhan Keti and Bridal Bungalow. Everything is arranged. Everything has been done. They are obeying, they are complying, they are cooperating with us. That's what 1 day, 2 days and all. We have issued already the relocation fees, giving them 1 month time. And today is the day for their relocation.
So they are accept or not? That
yeah, they have accepted, all accepted.